Giki ari kiumia gia gatano kumariria mugomo wa marigitari wambiriirie na guthararia motungata ma urigitani mathibitari-ini ma muingi gwothe bururi-ini. Wetereri wa kihonia kuonekana kuri kanju ya magavana ni uhwererekeire umuthi makiruta mukana wa gutacukiria mandagitari aria magomete ikinya ria kiwatho ni undu wa gutiganiria wira wao na uni wa watho wa igoti.
As we await the court to make a determination on this matter tomorrow, 17th April 2024, it is noted that there are those health workers that have absconded duty contrary to the court directive, and therefore county governments will have no choice but to institute disciplinary action against them according to the Employment Act.
Oho kanju ino no iheanite mukana ati itigwitikira gukuithio murigo o wothe hari gukinyaniria ngirimiti ya mendekithia ma mandagitari hatari na mbeca ikuheo thirikari cia kaunti gukinyaniria ngirimiti ino. Amu thirikari cia kaunti nicio ciandikite mandagitari no ti thirikari nene.
In the event that the national government agrees to the implementation of the CBA, we would like to bring to the attention of the national government and the public that this would have a ripple effect on all civil servants' basic pay and will therefore require additional allocation of resources to county governments to be able to carry out this task.
Kanju ino ni uritie arigitani metekire kunanira njung'wa na thirikari cia kaunti iria nicio imandikite ikiuga arigitani aya makoretwo makiamukira mishara minene ona gukira arunao thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe na oho aruti wira thirikari cia kaunti.
Their employer is the county government. The employer is not national government. And not to hide behind the call for either a whole of government approach or the Health Service Commission, because that does not negate the facts that indeed in terms of payments over the years, because of the increases and some negotiations from county to county, the salaries of medics are comparable.
Na hari maundu mangi maria marahutia counties, kanju ino ni reganite na riendekithia ria ministry ya kigina ria guturanira kigina kiria kiunganagio ni thirikari cia county na kia thirikari nene makiuga county ni ciirugamitie. Oho kanju ino ni yuritie kugathikwo kwa motungata maria mathukeirwo thirikari cia kaunti gatheti-ini ya thirikari na ministry ya kigina ikorwo ikirekereria kigina gia gukinyaniria tabarira ici.
The Council of Governors notes that the unbundling of functions was completed and therefore requests the IGRTC for immediate gazettement of those functions, and also after the gazettement to talk to the to ask the National Treasury to release the resources to follow those functions so that county governments can be able to deliver on their mandate.
Hari uheani wa fataraitha mubango-ini wa thirikari wa fataraitha ya thogora wa thi kuri arimi, county ni cionanitie kwaga kuiganira na ukinyaniria wa mubango uyu thengia wao gukorwo maunyitite mbaru. Riu makiendekithia uguri wa fataraitha ucokio kuri thirikari cia county ta hau kabere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwirori.